Hi everyone, welcome to the Little Genius Science Expo. We are grade 9A and here's Silas.
We are presenting our physics IBL model. This is a model based on magnetic rotation method.
So our big question is how do balanced and unbalanced forces affect the motion of the body? So balanced forces, if you do not disturb this movement of this magnet, this is called as balanced force. But when we disturb this is called as unbalanced force. So from this model we conclude that balanced force do not create any acceleration and motion, but unbalanced force, when we do like this, when we do motion, it creates a force. When we give force, it creates motion. Thank you.
These kind of flotation models can be used in Large Hadron Collider, which is located in Switzerland. This is a particle accelerator which uses the principle of magnetic repulsion and attraction to guide charged particles in a circular manner. These type of models are just an example to show how much capable our field of science are. This is just a small scale model of the large usefulness of these kind of models. Thank you.
Welcome to Little Genius Science Exhibition. We are class 9B here doing our physics IBL. I am Rakshana.
And I am Sanjana. We done here is a cardioballistograph.
I am Harshavardhini.
I am Satrajit.
This is cardioballistograph. This is heart and this is a blood, the other organs, and this is blood, and this is the body of the patient. So what happened here is when the blood is pumping from the heart, there will be a reaction. So it applies the Newton's third law. So every action has a opposite and equal reaction. So now when the blood is pumped, it will have some force, right? It will be sensed by a sense organ, and we will be getting this in ECG machine. So here is the working model of cardioballistograph.
Good morning everyone. I am Srijit of class 6B and today is our physics IBL model. Today is a Little Genius program and our team has did a pulley model. We have three types of pulley: movable pulley, common pulley and a fixed pulley. In fixed pulley, the mechanical advantages are above one. So this is very useful.
Hello everyone, I am Divya and we have made a model on rocket propulsion. So instead of gases, we have used water and hydraulic pressure to showcase the launch.
Hello, I am Joshua of class 11A and even I belong to this team. So we had demonstrated rocket propulsion using hydraulic pressure. This demonstrates Newton's third law, which is law of conservation of linear momentum and law of reaction. So this model also applies in real life. The high pressured gases released from rocket in nodules gives the reaction thrust force, which uplifts the rockets to escape Earth's velocity. Thank you.